This is a quick video on how to choose a split and a layer on a Nautilus workstation. So now if we go here to the Nautilus workstation and we go to the menu, we choose a program, and at the bottom here we go to quick split or quick layer. So if we want a quick layer, we just go to this quick layer button, choose it, and as you can see, you have studio violins and northern grand piano. If you want to keep this, you can write it into the layered combi over here section. Then if you want to go to split, you just hit the split here, and automatically it splits upper part piano and lower part bass over here. So you have the different sounds on the piano. So this is a really fast way of creating splits, changing sounds on the fly. If you want to go change different sounds on the upper part, you can go in and just change it. Really simple, and just enter the button, and then you have your other sound which you just chose. And that's it for the quick tip on the layer and split. Thank you.